Hey guys, this is a follow-up video of the LS430 Hood Latch. You can see I'm getting a little more in depth here. So I removed the air box, I removed this bracket here, and basically I wanted to get access to this latch. And at this point, I pretty much filled this entire cavity with white lithium grease. And what I was able to do was, I was able to work this cable back and forth. It went into the car here, and I actually disconnected this little ferrule of the connector from this guy so it could move freely back and forth. Then I pretty much at this point was able to push this latch down. I was able to click, and I was able to pull the cable, and it went back up, and I just kept working it back and forth. So if the original video doesn't help you out, you may have to disassemble and apply some lithium grease directly into this cable here, working back and forth. And this worked this time because before I was spraying the mechanism, kept slamming the hood, it kept popping up, etc. But so I had to get a little more in depth. So hopefully this helps somebody else out there. I want to add a little bit more to this video here. So essentially, you can see. So this inside here, this cable, I'm pulling the mechanism, but it's the same thing as I'm pulling the cable. So when you pull the cable, this gets released here. The problem was that this was not going in far enough. So what I did was I pushed it in, sprayed some lube in there, and right now what I'll demonstrate is, try to do this with one hand. I'll try to push this guy down right here so you can see. Let's see. All right, one sec. Let me do these. This is gonna look horrible. Okay. Okay, so now we just click that together. All right, so now this is now closed, so it's working. So what you'll see, so if I were to go inside the car and pull this cable, okay, this is gonna go back, and now watch. So now it works, everything is working great. This is working, this is moving freely, the whole thing. So this should help you guys out. Okay, so after all the reassembly, put it all back together here, so let's see what we got. Perfect. Go in the car. Make sure we can open it up. Perfect. Come around. Okay. And once again. Perfect.